spiritual powerful being. The nature, including the sun, is the best medicine you can have. In the morning, like this time, you come out in the nature, you know. The sun is up there to heal you mentally. Alright? So in the morning, like this time, in Australia now, in morning at 8:45. Okay? You come out in the morning like this time and focus on the sun. Let me turn around so that you can see the sun. You see the sun? When you focus on it, you wake up, come out in the morning, and also make sure you're in the nature if you want to, so that you can stand pressing your feet on the ground like this. Okay? And then focus directly on the sun. Let me turn it to my face so that you can see. When you focus directly on the sun like this, the sun reflection will absorb into your brain through your eye. Okay? Focus on the sun, and maybe sometimes you close your eye, and when you close your eye you can still see the sun. Okay? Do it about 7 times. Okay? So the reason you do this in the morning is so that the energy of the sun heal your brain from the chronic poison energy. The chronic poison energy from the trauma, from the difficulties. That chronic poison energy from the trauma, from the difficulties, sometimes the nature don't take it through your feet because it's internal. Okay, so what will take it away from you is the sun energy through your eye. So the sun is up there to obey you and to heal you. If you believe that you can heal from the sun, you can heal. The sun, nature. Okay? The ground, the Father gave the Mama Gaia, they are out here to take the heavy negative energy through your feet. With your consent, you allow them to take it away from you. Okay? The nature is the best medicine you can have. It's the best medicine you can heal, and it's the best medicine you can keep for the rest of your life until you leave this world. Okay? Take care of yourself, have peace, and be well.